dito po mga kababayan.
So, the skills showcasing this
Right
magnificent
now,
balloons
nandito po
and
tayo
other
sa
exhibitions and prepared for the
Marisol
Bicol
Hotel
Local Festival.
para sa
We are
Christmas
here to make the meaningful connections and share
Festival,
the
Music
happiness.
Festival.
This is
Kasama
for
po
tourists
si mga kasama
to
ko dati.
visit the Bicol
Ito
region.
yung look-alike ko.
This in turn
Danny
will
Garcia.
generate
Hello.
lots of jobs and
Ito yung mga Pax
opportunities.
FM.
To our
Ito yung kasama ko.
participants, I hope you find joy
TV.
and
So,
create
ngayon,
unforgettable memories during the three-day
we have the
festivities.
book.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Pulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Pulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Niculo.
The press defies the importance in ensuring its success.
Sa Ligaspi po ito mga
Thank you
kababayan.
for your continued support and coverage. To our guests
Si
who traveled
Congressman, ano, sa
from afar,
Chairman
your
Committee
presence
ng
adds
Operations.
to
Siya
the
po yung
vibrancy
dito.
of the
Nag-sponsor.
festival. It
Mga
enriches
foreign
our community
participants po, mga
and
kababayan.
inspires us all.
Hot
May your
Air
time
Festival.
here be filled
Piccolo.
with joy and leave you with lasting memories.
So, Friscon po ito.
Thank you once again for joining us the Bicol Local Hot Air Balloon Festival. May it be successful and inspiring celebration that brings joy and
Ako, Bicol.
economic growth to our region. Diyos mabalos sa Indugabos. Thank you very much.
Very appreciative of Police General Andre, who was also a skydiver in his younger years. Also with the PNP, who is helping us with security, the safekeeping everybody for the whole weekend. Our host
Kaway,
at the airport, just across
Si
our
Maling Gross
field.
kasama ko dati sa
I
radyo.
wanted to take
Siya
this
po,
opportunity
pinakang maganda.
to invite
Dati
many
CNN
of
siya,
our friends from all
ABS-CBN.
over the world.
Live pala siya.
Let's start with the skydivers.
Si Missy.
As you will
Wala
know
din ako
tomorrow
sa
morning,
FM.
Ay,
Manila
diba?
Standard.
Anong TV ka na, Mari?
Manila Standard po.
Manila Standard.
Kasi sarado na bagay yung CNN.
Ay, yung CNN, wala na nga pala. CNN
Manila
Philippines.
Standard.
Pero nag-ABS-CBN din po siya.
Opo, diba?
tandem will jump
Kasama ko siya,
out of a
mga
perfect
kababayan sa
running
DCRC
airplane.
noon. Nung nasa mainstream pa ako.
They will be the one taking the
Fans.
down from.
From England sila.
Chris and Claire Mo, also from England.
Mga skydive.
From the United States, Cheryl and Vance.
America.
From Brazil, Luis.
But before ko mga kababayan bigay sa inyo yung full story ng mga balitang yan, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video. At huwag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng bagong Pilipinas. Sa mga naganap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta na lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab car rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific and other airline companies, local and international, and Meralco Bills, Aleco Bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Na-set up na rin yung aming mga bagong gym equipments. May treadmill na rin po kami. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses and affected area. Mainam po siya sa mga pains, mga paninigas na mga kaso-kasuan. Pinapahid-pahid lang po siya sa mga pulses. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Ningxia Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravillas. Brazil.
From America, Raminta and Venus Mastiff.
Mga foreigner sila mga kababayan.
From Sweden, KG. From France, from England, Paul and Ian. From the Netherlands, Fred and Carla.
Netherlands.
From Belgium, Peter. But with an American crew, Sarah. Our skydiving pilot is here also, Edison. And of course, the star of the show is, I don't know if you have looked up in the air the past couple of days. Airplanes are tumbling around. We have the global stars, Mark Jeffries, Chris, and another Chris. And we're not supposed to have Chris as our name to be aerobatic pilots. Even Joy can be an aerobatic pilot. And Lily from China, cheering squad of the aerobatic team. Stuart is a flight engineer. And where's another Chris? Is he around? Okay, the other Chris is not around. We exhibitions. We had our first FAI exhibition last February. Oh, sorry, FAI competition. But this time we will have an exhibition which is more interesting and very exciting. We have the young kids. They are leading the drone team, traveling motor team coming over. And they will also be giving a tandem rides. So that would be very exciting for people who have never gone up in the air.
Kasama natin sa media.
The Air Force, and they will have a flyby of the F-850. These are the jets of the Philippine Air Force, and I think that would be very exciting. It's Mach Bust. So it's Mach Bust when they do a flyby. So that's something that you shouldn't miss, and this will be in Saturday at 10 to 10:15. If questions,
Yung hot air balloon mga kababayan, gagawin dito sa Old Airport, Legazpi Airport. Bukas po, morning. At saka may concert dito si Sarah G. At saka sa and that is free mga kababayan. And this is part of the promotion mga kababayan ng Bicol Loco tourism promotion para sa Bicol region po. And this is the first time na mangyari po ito. Project po siya ng Ako Bicol activist headed by Congressman Saldico, yung Chairman Committee on Appropriations po. Kaya pa si Congressman Saldico.
From our friends.
So, the highlights.
Buong araw yung highlights. Kaya
Highlights po ng activity bukas, May 3.
Ikwentuhan ko kayo. The highlights, of course, is the balloon. Everybody would like to see the balloon. And it's the first time. And also, we have special shaped balloons. These are not just ordinary balloons. I think you should watch out for Cheryl's balloon. She's got a very interesting party balloon. Luis has a balloon. It's like a dog. And of course, Paul and Ian have partner dogs. I hope this event does not go to the dogs.
Ayan po.
Linas has a world runner. Linas is
Makikita. Bukas.
Linas has 25 special shapes. He's now 7 years old. He will bring one shape every year.
Ganyan kaganda po.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the dinosaur balloon. So that's something very interesting as well. And who else is here? Okay. Fred is flying a replica of a monastery in Spain. So it's very unusual. It's shaped like a building. So that's one after the other. After they've taken off, the paramotors will be flying around them like that will be global stars, and it goes on and on during the day. And in the evening, we have a special surprise for you because Chris and Mark will have pyrotechnics on the tip of their airplanes while doing aerobatics. So this is something that very few people have seen. We're very happy that the Bicolanos will see it firsthand. And
First
right
time po
after
siya
that,
na mangyari.
we will have a drone show. I don't know if
atin sa
you've seen
Bicol.
the drone show. Drone turning into different shapes. And after that, there's still fireworks. And it's going to be the same every day. So if you miss the first day, there's a second day. But of course, there are some different things that we will be doing. We have car drifters from Manila. They're drifting their cars around the runway. And of course, Chris, Mark, and Chris will be flying formation. And I will be racing with them with a Porsche. So it's an electric car versus the piston airplanes. And we will see how it goes. That's something you shouldn't miss. We will see who will win. Will it be the airplanes or will it be the Porsche?
12 na po nakakarating yung mga
5:30
ibang
start.
spectators and naghahanap po sila ng
5:30
balloons at that
morning.
time. Mahirap na po makalipad yung hot air kapag mainit na po. So we really need your help in announcing to your followers po. Alright? For the next question.
So, magiging
Yan po ang
nila yata
kailangan
ito
na
sa
matagal
ating
ko na pong
congressman sa
pangarap
ating
ng trabaho ng ating mga kababayan. So,
for tourism and
we
jobs,
plan to
job creation.
buy more balloons like kagaya po sa Cappadocia, nung pagpasyal namin, sabi nga ni Joy, it's around 150 balloons or 200. Ang saya po ng pakiramdam na ang balloon during early morning, sabay-sabay silang lumilipad. Very colorful in the skies. So, will happen.
Ayan po
Ito
yung
pong
makikita bukas.
ginagawa natin is this kasi
Ganyan.
the balloon will fly. Dusty and his friends will make the balloon fly today or tomorrow and the other day. Thank you.
You know, you very good community work. Everybody should
Sila
like
yung,
town
magpapalipad po
fiesta. We should exhibit
ng
our
balloons.
products and
Nakasakay
what
po
our
sila,
products
siyempre, sa
are.
balloons.
And they will bring all these pilots to the
Nakasakay
different
sila.
areas after the activity. And they will all 100 and the next 100 will bring 500 and it will be a continuous process of bringing friends and foreign visitors in your community.
We have a lot of questions from our friends here.
Morning everyone. Sir, Kong Salvi, Nancy Video po, Branch of Pilipinas, the government media. Sir Kong, thank you very much. Quite exciting. You know, we're Bicolanos so excited of this first Bicoloco Festival. Thank you, sir, for bringing this to our area, Kong Salvi, and you know, daming magandang ginagawa po si Kong Salvi here in our
Because you might buy all the line there.
Location kasi napakalapit sa Mayon.
So, but when we find it, we will let you know. I think his intention is to have their flying.
Kaya very exciting siya para sa mga participants at mga tourists.
This time we will smile. So our objective tomorrow is to let everybody smile and be happy.
Thank you so much po.
Yes.
So, the reason for that is during early mornings, there's no wind. And late evenings also, the wind dies down. During the day, the wind is very strong and we're unable to do that. But in terms of danger on getting too close to Mayon, I doubt very much if we will. And the balloons are totally dependent on the direction of the wind. During this time of the year, it should be coming from the sea going towards Daraga.
So ang lalaki pala ba ng
Because if I
may
tell you-
6 story building.
Bullseye vlog, I think the question is for Congressman Saldi.
Yeah, Congressman Dante Maravillas po, lager. Gusto ko lang itanong sa inyo, paano po nabuo yung Bicoloko? Ba't ba ganun yung naging titulo, yung tawag? Paano siya nabuo po, naging Bicoloko?
Well, said because Bicol coin word, it's masasabi din sa fashion. Ang loco in Bicol is to go crazy o mapapawaw ka. In Manila, really our others who don't understand it, they don't understand. But for Bicol, you say loco, loca ka. When you see the balloon up in the air, background of the Mayon volcano, then maloloko ka talaga pag nasa taas ka na and you see in Cappadocia, makikita mo na yung limestone formation that gave the ridges of the mountain. But ito, you have an 8,500 feet above sea level with a diameter of around 32 kilometers. So kahit na 100 kilometers away ka, even if you're 100 kilometers or 200 kilometers away ka, even at your Quezon province, you still see the Mayon volcano. That's how big is the Mayon volcano. 7 times higher than Eiffel Tower, 3 times higher than Burj Al Arab in Dubai. Sa Dubai po, there's already 5 balloons starting to develop. In Thailand, meron na rin sila, balloon tourism. So we need to really go crazy or loco. When you say loco, it's crazy. You go crazy, you go wild. So hopefully the balloons don't go wild.
So yun pala yung rason kung bakit Bicoloko. You'll become crazy because hindi actually crazy na literal na crazy kundi because of very exciting siya na napakaraming mga balon, napakalalaki na mga balon at because of the napakagandang location and it is Albay kung saan we have this Mayon volcano po. Isa sa mga natural wonders sa ating
may isa tayong airport sa tabi. Sigurado makita ay pumasyal kayo sa airport sila.
So may concert po si Sarah G.
Habang nagkaka-concert natin, umiilaw, may fireworks tayo. So that's something that you should not miss as well. Yun ang excitement naman sa baba, visually exciting. The music goes with the beat of the light of the balloons. Kaya dapat huwag nyo i-miss din. Kahit dun lang tayo sa airport, masaya tayo.
You can
Walang
put
gastos
this
dito yung
in our
tourism.
neighboring countries, the
Gastos
pictures,
nila
or then
Ako Bicol.
watch out if we sell it by next year, we're available and we can invite them, come and visit Legazpi and Bicol region so that dito sa Cappadocia, almost every 15 minutes may flight for the malalaking aeroplano. So imagine if we have around 2,000 to 3,000 tourists a day na dumarating just to watch the balloon and the Mayon volcano. Malaking bagay po yun. So, in terms of value, it's unlimited because we're going to post it online, post it on. So, this will be already a game changer for the tourism of Bicol region. Yan na lang po ang asset natin. watch the typhoon, and watch the Mayon volcano and the agriculture. Di po tayo mahirap na po yung industrialization. But it's a long-term renewable. We've been trying to promote, 1998 pa kami nag-start ito, no? The international airport. We have done during the 1998 when we groundbreaking cities, sinabi po natin na we're going to have an international airport. And maraming nagtataka, ano nangyayari? Na mangyayari. Now, nagawa po natin yung international airport for almost 26 years of dream and talagang lagi at pakiusap sa ating mga kaibigan, nagawa po yung international airport. Now, we have all the infrastructure, the bridge going to Misimis, the roads, kailangan kalsada yun, nalagyan ng Central Forestry Road, and we're doing also, we have done the boulevard, we have done hopefully the international cruise terminal, nagawa natin. Then, this is the final leg, the tourism. Kasi before we natin magawa, they said, build it and they'll come. Now they're coming, and thank you for coming in our small province, in our Bicol region. Thank you.
Kaway naman. Otherwise,
That ends our
the landing is not so good
video
because of the
recording.
wind.
Our vice best.
We had a
Bicol's finest.
tent